As a creator, I spend long hours in front of screens, planning, working, and constantly creating. And I've learned that your environment really shapes how you think and how you feel. For this Rig Studio project, I work closely with FlexiSpot furniture, not just as a prop, but as a part of a real workflow. It's intuitive, flexible, and adapts to your rhythm. We lit the entire shoot with the SmallRig big color LED lights and powered everything with their beam-on batteries. They are fast, mobile, and super efficient. If you're always like me, moving between ideas and spaces, trust me, having the right tools and the right environment makes all the difference. That's where FlexiSpot and SmallRig come in, helping you stay focused, flexible, and ready to create. Hope you enjoy this final piece and see you in the next Rig Studio project.